Hello and welcome into the craft table at Sunny Miles Studio. I hope your new year's off to a good start. My birthday is around the holidays and this is one of my favorite gifts that I received. I'm never quite sure how to say this word. It's ephemera. I think I'm saying it wrong, but basically it's a book filled with tons of cute artwork that you can cut out and use in collage or card making, and that's what I'm going to do today. And this one was her Christmas one. It's from Tandiart, and I just love her artwork. It's so playful and freeing to me because I tend to do more precise or tinier drawings, and she just uses lots of beautiful colors, and she just gets all her craft things out and looks like she's having a grand time making a big mess. And so she inspires me to try things, and this is a challenge to myself to try to use this book in my artwork. So this was some cute things that I found in here, and I wanted to make this into a card for my niece for her birthday. And so I cut these out. You kind of fussy cut the paper out, and she says that you can use any kind of scrap bits. This is just a piece from a package that I received, and I'm going to glue my things on there. And she also had an idea of just taking some cardboard and putting that on the back. Ugh, get my glue stick going here. I'll show you what she means. It kind of gives it a raised look. So I could just cut out a piece that kind of fits the tail. Did you get any new craft supplies for Christmas? I'd love to hear in the comments if there's anything fun that you got that you're really enjoying, or that you were really looking forward to receiving. So, okay, so I put this cardboard on here. And then when I put it on here, I'm going to probably have to put a book on this to keep it down when I'm done. But you can kind of see how it gives it a little bit of dimension. I'm going to do the same thing with the little snowman guy. This is a deviation from my usual watercolors. I love watercolors, but this is fun to play with some different supplies. Oops, sorry, I'm out of camera here. Gotta stick him in, and I try to do like the big elements first. So I kind of figured out where I wanted those to go, and then I just took some acrylic paint and I took a little foam dot, one of these little foam dots, and just made these snowflakes just very imperfectly. And I used my white acrylic pen to make the trees. She has so many different ideas. She suggested like just cutting out with printer paper little trees. And you could do so much more. You could add glitter, stickers, I don't know. People think of so many things. I'm just going to put on the sentiment. This is Cozy Wishes. And I think I put it here. Oops, sticking to me more than the paper. And then it looks like it's a little plain yet to me. I'm eventually going to glue it onto this cardstock. I think that I like that color. But I think I want to add some more just splatters of white paint on here. Need to get my little cardboard here. Something to protect my desk. And then I'm just gonna get out some white acrylic paint and wet an old brush. And I'm just gonna dab it into that and then just kind of flick the brush at the paper. There we go. Just get some snow splatters. Yeah, that's cute. And there's probably a ton more I could do to this, but I'm gonna stop here today. But I hope this inspires you to play with whatever craft items or stuff out of your recycle bin. Just play around with ideas and experiment and have fun. I'll look forward to being with you again soon, and thanks for being here. Have a great day.